Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to avoid price taxes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So Prizepicks does not directly withhold taxes from your winnings. However, it is your responsibility to report all gambling income, including Prizepicks winnings, on your tax return. The Internal Revenue Service (IRS) required a completed 1099 MISC form from members who accumulate 600 or more in net winnings for the calendar year. Now, understanding tax obligations, reporting requirements. Even if you don't receive a 1099 MISC from Prizepicks, you are still required to report all gambling winnings on your tax return. Taxable income. All cash winnings are considered taxable income by federal and state tax authorities. Strategies to manage tax implementation: maintain accurate records, keep detailed records of all gambling winnings and related expenses to support your tax return. Consult a tax professional. Tax laws can be complex. Seeking advice from a tax professional can help ensure compliance and optimization your tax situation. Number 3, consider state tax laws. Some state tax laws gambling winnings, while others do not. Be aware of your state's tax regulations regarding gambling income. Number 4, monitor Prizepicks policies. Prizepicks may adjust its policies based on state regulations. Regularly review their terms and conditions to stay informed. So these are basically the steps that you can do, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.